Okay guys, so 1 minute na lang. Guys, 1 minute na lang. Nire-ready ko na yung YouTube ko at saka yung Spotify. Lalabas na yung new album ng BTS. So, dito na tayo mag-reaction video. Ang gulo ng hair ko. Wait lang. Eto na! Ayun na guys. 3, 2,
let's go!
Let's go! Let's go, Army! Oh my gosh. Guys, pasensya na. Ito na yung aking raw. Kinamot ko to, guys. So, ayan. Tawag dito. Ito na yung tsura ko. Wala nang ayos-ayos. Biglaan na to. Ang gulo ng buhok ko. Let's go! Sayang ni Ate B. 1.5 po kami manonood. Grabe, kasi 3 months sila, guys. No way. OMG. I'm not overreacting, guys. I was just so amazed. Oh my God, Ruby. Girl, you're so lucky. Nakapalibot siya yung 7 lalaki. Grabe. Let's go, Arirang. Let's go. I'm so excited. Release na rin ng album nila ngayon, guys. So, puntahan natin yan sila. Swerte ni ate. Swerte mo, te. Grabe, I like the visual, the vocal, the concept. Grabe. I mean, everything's just perfect. You know, yung kagwapuhan nila. Oh my God. Ang ganda. Grabe. I got a goosebump. Oh my gosh. This is real. This is legit. This is their comeback. Literally. Oh my God. I'm just so happy with the outcome of this Swim official music video. So I can't wait to listen the whole album. So let's go, guys. Nilike na natin siya, guys. So that's it, guys. This is a very raw reaction video. I don't know if i-edit ko pa siya or what, but I guess hindi na, diretso na to. Upload na natin to, ge. Wala nang edit to, be. Kinikilig na naman ako. Let's go.